Hey guys, an update on energy fuels. Yeah, before I dive into the price action, let me go here. I got the question today from a friend. He was like, "Bro, you said that energy fuels acquired a Australian company for like rare earths, blah blah. That's good news, but why does the stock then drop 10% the day after?" I think there's maybe some of you as well who don't understand maybe really why the price sometimes goes up or down when news is actually good or bad. So you need to imagine this. If these, or let me make circles, it's easier. If all of these are all the stocks that exist from energy fuels, okay, you have the larger part that is owned by energy fuels themselves, okay. Then you have banks also own a large part. Then you have, yeah, people with big money that also own a large part. And then you have the bunch like us, people with small money that own this, okay? So when good news happens, this group expects always, oh, we need to go up. But people use Elliott waves, like for example, me. Elliott waves gives you levels where you can sell, levels where you can buy depending on risk, okay? Then also you have, yeah, the owners and the big guys who can decide whenever they sell. If they want to sell the news to create a little bit of chaos, to trigger some stop losses, who are we to tell the bankers not to sell? Who are we? Okay, you need to understand that they can even cooperate and say, okay, we're gonna sell now until price hits this level, and then we'll start buying again. Whoever stops out or panic sells in between, yeah, it's their loss. I hope with this you get a little bit more of an idea like why these things can happen. I try with Elliott waves to predict events, and for me there's everyday news on every stock. Today we jumped 2.5% because of this, because of that, blah blah. It's all noise in my opinion, okay? It's all noise. To me, there is, they sometimes choose explicitly a day, I think, to give, for example, major good news to make a pump happen inside, for example, a wave 3, okay? And then, sometimes you have sell the news events, sometimes you have this, sometimes you have that. Okay? So, the chart. We went a little bit deeper yesterday. I was never worried, really. I'm gonna remove this point of control, remove this, remove this. Now the question is, to me, because we hit this FIP level here and we bounce from it, the question is, was this indeed wave 3? And was this now an A, B, and will we still do a C wave? Because if this is going to be wave 4, look at the wave 2. We don't want this to be the wave 4 because that would be too short. So if price now goes and takes this high, I'm going to move the wave 3 with it, and I'm going to move these FIPs with it, because then, to me, this wave 4 has not started yet. If price now struggles to make a new high and goes down again tomorrow, next week, probabilities will increase that we are in this wave 4. We will be able to add targets here for an ABC, okay? And we will move on from there. Until then, we will focus on these higher FIPs that I have from this ABC. And we have this previous high here at 27.33. Internal count here, like I said, for this wave 3, it's tricky. ABC in a wave A, then a B, then a C. But again, you can also label it as a 1, 2, 3. Now then an internal wave 4 and a 5 before we do this blue one. So really, until we show weakness here, I'm not gonna draw a C wave box here to the downside, and I'm not gonna assume that we are in this wave 4. Let's see. If we continue higher, we will see what price does up here. And that's really it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.